Hey, what's up, YouTube? That Throttle. Wanted to ask you guys about winter and rain gear. Um, I found out a couple of days ago that the rain gear I thought I had wasn't really rain gear, guys. I was soaking wet. I guess I bit the bullet and went for a sale um, for like Black Friday weekend, and it was like a no brand type, jacket and stuff like that. I did have some. The pants were fine. The pants, nothing. The pants were good. It's just it was the jacket and my gloves. My gloves, um, I thought they were, rain rated, but they really weren't. So wanted to get your opinion. What do you guys use for rain gear and winter gear? I know I can go on Revzilla and YouTube and all that stuff, but wanted to try to get some of my subscribers or any of you guys viewers engaged, and just if you could just tell me what you think, what you've used. I would really appreciate that. Um, yeah, so comment below, let me know, and maybe I'll go out and uh, buy whatever you recommend. I mean, if it works for you, then why wouldn't it work for me? So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks, and stay tuned for more content.